Okay, so guys, let's get started with hacker rank. Okay. So I think so guys, let's get started with linker list. So let's go to hacker rank, linker list, come on. It's a good thing we have solved this much. Yeah. So I think we have solved single linked list and hacker rank. So let's go to lead code then. So in the lead code we try to solve almost all the easy singly linked list programs, and then we will again come back to the hacker rank for our confidence boosting, and then let's continue with lead code. Okay, I can't do hard problems, right? Yeah. So remove duplicates from software list. Okay. So I think I will solve this in HackerRank itself. Even though we solved it there, let's do a refreshing code here. While head is not equal to null, we are checking for null conditions. If the linked list is not null, then we can compare here. If head dot data equals head dot next dot data, which means we are comparing the first two elements, I mean successive two elements in the linked list, and if it is equal, then we are just skipping that node which is equal. Yeah, and this is a destructive type because we are altering the head node. So if we want to use head in the future, I mean after this returning, if we want head node, we can't get it because we have altered it by using head, right? Okay, if head dot data, okay, yeah. In hacker rank it is data. For getting the values of the node, we will use data in hacker rank, and in lead code we will use val. I forgot that. Okay, it's taking long. I think time limit exceeded exactly. Okay, so we have to give else conditions, right? If it is not equal, yeah, cool. Head equal to head dot next. We have to move to the next element if it is not equal, or else it will keeps on running and we will get time limit exceeded because we use all the time to run in within the two nodes. If it will check only this condition, and if it's not how to say, if it is not equal, okay, null pointer exception, okay, then we check, okay, yeah, we are moving to the next element, right? So we have to check next element also for null. So we will check that here. Hope this works. Okay, great, it didn't work. try. I think I forgot the logic. So yeah, even then, why is it not? One is not running. And yeah. Okay, we have two viewers. Great. Yeah, let's go to lead code. So where did we screw up? While head is not, while head dot next, when the next element is not equal to null. Come on, yeah. We are just skipping that element, right? Okay. Okay, let's try to copy it and let's just go with normal approach instead of destructive approach. Let's now head 1 equal to head. Okay. Now we'll keep the head unaffected. Now let's run and see this. Okay, here. Sorry. We won't get input here also. Sorry. Yeah, same, yeah. Okay, let's see if we are printing. Okay, come on, yeah. Yeah. So what we are doing here is we are editing head 1. I mean, we are making changes in the head 1, but why we are getting output in the head? I'm still having a doubt in this. Like, okay, so we have copied head to head 1. So we are using head 1 as a copy. Like, okay, so we are making the changes in head 1. So how can it be affect head value? I'm having a doubt in that. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's check for other test cases if it works or not. Great, yeah. So I think I'm still confused why we should not use head 1 not equal to null and head 2 not equal to null. Like in arrays for loops, if we use for I equal to 0, I less than n, then we can't use n plus 1, n plus 2 inside the for loop. Same like those. I need something here. Some pointer. Okay. So this is not what I'm getting error now. Null pointer exception. Hey, come on, yaar. Why is it showing error? Null pointer exception, that also. Let's check for this code. What is this removing a duplicate, right? Just a second, my battery is low. Yeah. So what is data now? Yeah, we solved it. I mean, sorry, it's not deleted node, it's a duplicate, right? Come on, description. Yeah, it's duplicate. So linked list, duplicate, duplicate. Yeah. Submission. Yeah. I think I used the same one. I mean, like, okay. I mean, in here the input is the value which is passed with the method is head, and we just copied it to root and we are changing head. I mean, which means we are going to return root, I think so. Yeah, we return root in here. So if the value is equal, then we'll head dot next equal to head dot next dot next, right? I did the same. Head dot next equal to head dot next dot next. In else we head equal to head dot next. I mean I did the same thing, but why am I getting null pointer exception? See, for this only I went to hacker rank and get my confidence up. And even in the first program I got my confidence broken, shattered. My confidence was literally shattered. I mean, why can't I even remove a duplicate element from a list here? Okay, let's see the discussion. Lord, let's see what the geniuses in here coded. So again, okay, code seems very small. Okay. While okay, we are checking for null. If not null, okay. 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 So what they did? Nothing. Literally nothing. Okay, in the outer loop they are checking for this condition. Okay, I think I'm getting where to use dot next and where to not use dot next. Sorry, my bad. So yeah, I think I understood what they did here. Okay, they are checking if the given data is null or not null. If it is only not null, then we will proceed. But before checking that, we have to copy the value to something else, right? I'll just keep it as output. Well, head is not equal to null. Now what we are going to do is, while head is not equal to null, then we'll check for if the next element is also not null. And head dot val equals head dot next dot val. Okay, I mean if the next element is not equal to null, then we will check with the next element so that we won't get null pointer exception. So I would have got an output if I just included this single line in the previous code, but I got excited and I deleted the entire code, which was very dumb. So what we should do here is head dot next equal to head dot next dot next, else head equal to head dot next. In else, if we also have to check for another condition where head is not equal to null. If head dot next, the next element should not be null, right? Only then we should point it. I think so. Let's code it and check if it works or not. Okay, missing return. Yeah, I forgot to return the output, right? So if you guys know why we are returning output instead of head, please comment it. Okay, still 2 viewers, and out of this 2 viewers, one is my friend. and another is mine. I mean another me. My another device is there. So yeah. Array, why am I again getting time limit exceeded? The heck, yeah. Okay, then let's remove this and check. Yeah. See, if I try to include anything and I try to be a little creative, then I will get an error. Come on. But logically, it should be correct, right? I mean, like I was just checking for the null case so that I won't get null pointer exception, because if we point to the null, then it would be very waste, right? It may show null pointer exception. So I did check for null condition. Else if head dot next not equal to null. Why is it not working? I should know that first. Okay, it is taking more time. Yeah, I am not exceeded. Which means this condition never executes. So we may try when head is not equal to null. So this condition should, yeah, work. It worked. But this is waste, right? Actually, yeah. Okay. After many fights, finally we had solved one program. Okay. Linked list, difficulty easy. Okay, was linked list. Okay, it is sorted and we have to reverse the sorted linked list. I think I forgot how to do it. Okay, before doing anything, we have to just copy the head value, right? So that's we copied it while and that's not equal to null. Okay, here we are. I think here we used 3 pointers and we just shifted those 3 pointers consequently. Like, yeah. To make it simple, I'll just make it as current so that it won't confuse. List node yes equal to null, and here so there is no need to declare again and again, right? So I just make next is a keyword, so we use next node equals null initially. So in here we'll just make the reference current dot next, so that the next element of the current element would be first assigned to the next node, then we'll change the values. Okay, now the actual current element, now we are going to change the next element. So we are going to assign the previous element in the next element, and inside the previous, in case of previous element, we are going to assign the current. So now we have to move the current to the next one. So what we are going to do is, I mean, like, it's like I just memorized it. I don't know why, because I did that much time. I don't know how I'm going to explain this when I get an interview. Okay, return. Now I'm going to return previous. Sorry. So why am I returning previous? I don't know. Because the output is stored in the previous. It said like that in a YouTube video. Okay, I'm getting null pointer exception now. Great. Okay, one head dot next. Let's try this. Cool. Okay. I think the only thing I changed from the hacker rank code and this code is I declared the next node outside the while loop in hacker rank, and in here I didn't declare inside the while loop. Maybe it is a mistake. Let's check. Yeah, thank God it's not a mistake. Okay, what is the mistake which I did then? Come on. I mean, only one is returned, right? Which means head is only returned. So, so current value would be head, right? So, let's just say hi. Okay, one view. I think someone left. Okay. So what is the wrong in this? Seriously, come on, what is wrong in this? There is no, it is null pointed exception, right? I think no, it is only one element is printing. So why is it so? One element is printing. Come on. Reverse. Okay, sorry, it is print in reverse. I think it is reverse linked list. What is that? I did the same coding in here, there also. So submission results. Okay, they are just checking for null conditions. Other than that, we are doing nothing extra in that. Return. Okay, let's try this code in here. Okay, singly. Okay, yeah. Type. We should try. Come on, silly mistakes. I mean, it's list node only. Sorry, it won't. Include should be also removed from here. Okay, now let's run this and check. Array current node equal to next node. Yeah, it is correct. Previous node equal to current node. Previous node equal to current node. Current next equal to previous. Current next equal to previous. Next equal to current dot next. Next equal to current dot next. So what did I do wrong? Well, head dot next equals not equals null. Okay, idiot. I compared head in here. I should have compared current, right? This is the worst way of debugging and also coding. Okay. Okay. Let's submit this code. Okay. So finally, after very big embarrassment and struggle, I completed reversing a linked list. I think even school students nowadays can do this. Remove linked list elements. Also, acceptance rate is very much low when compared with reversing a linked list. I don't know how much struggle I'm going to face. Okay, I think this will be very much easier. When they are giving a value and we should just skip the value. That's it, right? Okay. So we are just checking null if the given element is null or not null. If it is not null, then we just have to check if head not, I mean the value in that head equals or not. If it is equal, okay, why did I use two brackets? Okay, if the value is equal, then what we are going to do is we just skip that head. Come on. So I'm getting it out in here, like if this, once we come to this node only, we will know its value, right? Okay, then yeah, head equals, we will just make null. Else if here we will just next value dot next dot val equals val, if the next element data is head is equal to that given value, then we will just make it as head dot next equal to head dot next dot next. So I think this condition is not necessary, but let's check it if it's working or not. Okay, else head equal to head dot next. Hope this works fine. Come on, return missing statement. Okay, yeah, I'm doing this mistake frequently. So what should I return is head. Should I copy the head and return it? Because I don't know why. In the, okay, yeah, and head dot next equals null, not equals null. We have to check that, right? Okay, there is no use of checking not null after comparing. So we should check null condition before comparing, right? Okay. Anyway, this condition is not necessary because we are going nullifying it right in here. Okay. I think this is okay, yeah. I think we have to copy. Let's node A equals, I mean head 1 equals head So we are altering the head in here, and we are going to return head 1 in here. And let's try this now. Yeah. I think I didn't struggle much for this code. Okay, now I'm going to struggle. Come on, yeah. If head, this is head value, this is val. If head dot val is equals, then head equals null, right? That's what I did. But it's printing 1 in here. Come on. I should not write a separate test case for this. It's not even a corner test case, corner condition. Why should I write this? It should come under this condition, right? I mean, yeah, this one. But why is it not coming? If viewers, anyone know what's the mistake I did in here, let me know. So to users, chat rate is very much low, only 0. Okay. Shit, yeah. Okay, let's try this now. Okay, I mean it will work. I should have given that in sample test case, right? Why did I do that? Okay, let's check for this one. This only I'm getting null pointer exception. I think so. Yeah. Why am I getting null pointer exception in here, right? Return null. Come on here, it return head. But it is pointing to the something which is not there. That's the actual meaning, right? For null pointer exception. Okay, and for that, I'm going to use the try catch. The spelling be different, and let me check it. And what exception Java? Okay, for gigs. Try guys, catch. Null pointer. Okay, there won't be any space. And the E should be caps. Exception. Okay, it's not used. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Is that correct? Null. Oh, capital B. Sorry. Yeah. Worked cool, but I should not do like this. I should know what the mistake I did in here. I mean, yeah. Output is 2. Come on, yeah. Okay, 1 comma 2. Let's try the 1 comma 2 in here now. Or output, like I'm getting 1 comma 2. Let's run this and check. No. Okay, output says 1 comma 2, but output should be 1. Which means this condition is not at all working. So, how to nullify a node? I think I did this one also in HackerRank. Come on, more linked list around. Reverse merge, get node, insert, print. I think I solved this one. I think this is a 1, I think. So, this is not the one. Come on. Okay, let's highlight my mistake in here. So, how to remove this one? Which means if it is in the first, if the given value is in the first, we are checking in here, and this is not working. How to delete a head node? Okay, let's Google that. Okay, I think this should work. So, this miracle. A head equals 1, reference null. We are copying head to another node and we are saying head equal to head dot next. I know it won't work, I think so. We already copied head one in here, right? And we are returning what they are using. I mean, inside they are passing head and they are returning, and they are not returning anything, they are returning 10. Okay, head equal to head dot next. Okay, inside the function they are adding a new node and they are giving a new data and they are using head reference. Okay, so we should not just nullify it. Head reference. Okay, lives. We are live for more than 40 minutes and thanks to viewer. Great, yeah. So whoever is watching, hi. I think you are my first, one of my unknown viewer. What's your name, yeah? Huh? Hello. Excellent connection here I have. Can you please tell me your name? I think it is a little bit lagging. I didn't give any delay in the 3 votes like that. Okay. So 23, 11, 29, 12. The input was, what was the input? 12, 29, 11, 23. But I should get. Okay, what they are doing in here is pushing. They are giving the value in the function. I'm started to get that. String health is 4, only 4. Okay, let's look at that. Okay, still getting the same error. Head equal to now. Let's try this because I'm not satisfied with this code. I mean, like, I couldn't understand this code fully. Yeah. So I want a much simpler one. So I'm trying it this. What they are doing here is Lincoln head equal to now. He is doing the same thing. I also doing the same thing. And they are inserting in the insert function. They are creating new node and we are giving values. And they are giving that value to the head. I mean, head should not be null. If it is null, then the following elements, it won't point to the following elements, right? Okay. I mean, I think I a little bit got the concept. Control C. Okay. Shit, yeah. I think this won't work. Because what I try to do is, once we know that head value is null, then I thought we will check, we will check inside the how to say, I thought of making the second element as head node and make the second element point to the third one, third element point to fourth one. I thought to do that like that, but I think it won't work, and it is a big work, a complex work for me. So I'm not going to adapt to that solution. So let me check the discussion, which is the simpler way for me. I thought this is the easiest program which I had overcome, but it is now turning into the most complex program. I want Java. I think this looks great. Okay. Yeah. Also, I don't know why they are using this one. Let. What is let a keyword? I have never heard about that. Let keyword in Java. Declare variables that are limited in scope to block. Okay, he is using a block in here. Within the block. Which block it is? I mean, they are using within this function only. It will be valid this function for them. There is no need of let. I think current node they are using new list node of -1. Current node or next equal to head equal to current node. Okay, they iterated. I mean, I'm fed up, yeah. That's it. Enough for today. Bye bye. See you and thank you for watching. It is very much lagging, I think. Okay, bye bye.